This video will help you with advanced features such as formatting, validation, splashing, calculations, and conditional formatting. Formatting. The first thing you should do is to expand the visualization menu in the upper right corner by clicking the double arrow. Then open the Formatting section. Here you can choose what separators you would like to use, for example a comma separator for thousands, as well as decimal point for cents. Also, select the currency, such as dollars for the United States or British pounds for England. Specify what measure you want to be affected. Validation. Here you can enter the minimum and maximum values that you wish to limit your input values with. For example, if you write minimum as 0 and maximum as 10, you are only able to write numbers within that range in a cell. Splashing. Splashing refers to the distribution of values or calculations across multiple cells within the report. Here you can choose to turn on or off data splashing. If the splashing toggle switch is in the on position, then you must select between splashing across all measures or just a single measure such as quantity. Additionally, you need to decide what the default splashing behavior should be. Here options include pop-up, replace, distribute evenly, and relative values. Calculations. Here you can enter custom calculations in the form box. One example is amount equals price times quantity. Another example is budget equals purchase order times 1.2. The values are automatically computed and displayed in the matrix. Conditions, or conditional formatting. First, decide on what measure you would like to format, such as quantity, price, or amount. The tool allows for multiple conditional formatting rules per cell. One example is if the cell value is greater than 1, then change the background color to green and the front color to white. Thanks again for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this lesson. Stay tuned.